Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will talk about Moomoo. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees, like if they have an activity fee or withdrawal fee. Then I will talk about also how is the design of application, customer service, what kind of products and markets they offer, and also the security. If you want the free stock, you can just register down below in the description on the link, and if you just add money to Moomoo, you will get a free stock, I will get a free stock. It's a win-win situation. So yeah, that's probably it. Now, Moomoo. Moomoo is a good platform because they have free stock, free ETF, and free options trading. I wouldn't recommend using Moomoo for long-term investing. I would choose Degiro Interactive Brokers Trading, like a TradeStation Global for long-term investing, or even, I don't know, Fidelity Vanguard. Don't use Moomoo. Use Moomoo for day trading or weekly trading. That's what I would do. Now, when you would go to the application, let me show you. You can see it right here that they get like really perfect reviews. People are satisfied with it. And like, what I recommend is like checking out the app if you actually like it, if you prefer it. It's like really good. Now, let's talk about the fees right here. You can see right the stocks completely for free. Also the ETF, the US stocks, but for fees 0. You get a trading activity fee. It's like regulatory fees if you want, like 0.0000199, and there's like nothing. Then you're gonna see like the commission options also for free. The regulatory fees are right here. You can see right here the options regulatory fee ORF 0.038 per contract. So there's like nothing personally, and like everyone has something like this. Now, then you get like Hong Kong stocks here that you don't really need to care about. I think like if you want to buy Hong Kong stocks, but I'm not going to talk about it. Margin rate 6.8% for US stocks. And now you can see right here the domestic buyer 0 during promotion. It's promotion. ACF transfer $0. So that's good. And let's go even further. Now, what they offer stocks, options, and ETF. So this is something you need to like see. Then you get like free real-time level 2 market data. That's also really good. And ADR they have also. So Moomoo is really good broker. What I really like also about Moomoo is that it got covered by up to 500K. You can see it here, the regulator with SEC, is a member of FINRA and SIPC. So this is something really good in my opinion. And that's pretty much it. The web platform is also good. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments about Moomoo. I recommend, like, if I could compare to Robinhood or even Webull. Webull is a good comparison to Moomoo. Both of these brokers are fine for buying and holding and investing stocks and also trading options. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. And yeah, customer service is all right too here. Like if you're gonna write them, they're okay. So yeah, goodbye.